In today's episode, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of geology to uncover the captivating story behind the formation of the Pamukkale Travertines in Turkey. Nature's masterpiece, often referred to as the Cotton Castle, is a stunning testament to the interplay between water, minerals, and time. Let's embark on a journey to understand how this geological wonder came into existence. The Pamukkale Travertines, located in southwestern Turkey, emerge from the geological marvel of natural hot springs. These hot springs are the result of Turkey's seismic activity, creating pathways for heated groundwater to rise to the surface. The waters are rich in dissolved calcium bicarbonate and other minerals, setting the stage for the magic that unfolds. As the hot spring water journeys through the underground layers and reaches the surface, a transformation begins. The interaction with cooler air causes the water to lose its heat, reducing its ability to hold calcium carbonate in solution. This process leads to the precipitation of calcium carbonate minerals. Layer by layer, these minerals accumulate and craft the stunning terraced formations that Pamukkale is renowned for. The iconic terraced pools that grace Pamukkale's landscape are the result of an intricate dance between flowing water and accumulated mineral deposits. The cascading effect of the hot spring water creates a symphony of pools that gracefully flow from one to the next. With each passage, the water leaves behind a thin layer of calcium carbonate, further sculpting the terraces and enhancing their ethereal beauty. The travertine terraces of Pamukkale are renowned for their brilliant white hue, almost resembling a cotton castle. This stunning coloration is a consequence of sunlight reflecting off the calcium carbonate deposits. As water trickles down the terraces, it carries with it tiny particles, contributing to the brilliant white appearance that captivates visitors from afar. While Pamukkale's geological splendor has drawn tourists for centuries, it's essential to strike a balance between exploration and preservation. To protect the fragile formations, designated areas have been made off-limits to visitors. Controlled access ensures that future generations can continue to marvel at this geological wonder while keeping its delicate beauty intact. And there you have it, the captivating tale of how the Pamukkale Travertines in Turkey emerged from the intricate interplay of geology, mineralization, and time. This extraordinary cotton castle serves as a reminder of the Earth's geological creativity and its ability to shape breathtaking landscapes. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting geology adventures right here on Geology Science.